Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to recover your hacked Instagram account. So we have a four method and how to do this. First is check your email. So go to your Gmail account. You will notice right here that a device is login and you can see a notification. If you are wasn't with you, you can secure your account from a device you're logged in within past. And then the second method that you're going to do is request login link. So go back to your login option and try to request a login link. So all you're gonna do right here is tap the forgotten password. So tap this button below the login button. And then as you can see, you can put the email right over here and then enter the code that you receive on your email. And you can also go to need more help and it will prompt you to help center and then tap on if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked, and you can see right here on how to request a login link from your Instagram. Now the third method that you're going to do to recover your hacked Instagram account is to verify your identity. So right over here, as you can see, if you request support for an account with photos of you, you'll be asked to take a video selfie of you turning your head in different directions to help us check that you're a real person and confirm your identity. So that's the third option that you're going to do. Now the fourth option that you're going to do, and the most important, is that create a business account. So for example, we'll create a business account, and for that we can run ads to get in touch with Meta support team and contact them. So for example, once you log into your Facebook business account and set up your ads, you can actually have a chance to contact the support team and identify the problem on your account. So if you see this notice, you can just click right over here, the contact support team. You can tap on that, and eventually, and this is the most effective way to recover your hacked Instagram account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.